Chapter 1. Once upon a time lived a girl named Anastazijo. She was a quiet soul who found joy in small things like humming her favorite song, listening to the sound of birdsong, performing little dance moves while no one is watching, the sound of the shutter on her camera, a good cry, old architecture, how sun kisses every corner of her home, and an English accent. I wonder, is that why she hired me to do a voiceover? When she's not doing photography, she's usually stuck between two different worlds, one being her make-believe world where she pretends she was born in another century, using vintage technology like, for example, this quirky pink telephone.
Hello?
But she's decided it's better to use retro technology as an aesthetic prop and be much more present in, well, the present. One full moon later, she switched to the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And boy oh boy, did she love it. With all its fantastical features, such as a sleek design, a 108-megapixel camera, a high-resolution display, a 10 times optical zoom, and if your hands get shaky, it has a zoom lock feature which keeps things steady, 11.5 hours of battery, amazing video features, and don't forget, it's a 5G phone. She managed to balance vintage with the new era. Now she can capture all of life's joyous little moments in a mere second and eternalize them forever. Stay tuned for Chapter 2.